जन्म देती है जो माँ जिसे जग कहे, अपनी संतान में प्राण जिसके रहे।
50 Shades of Regret under Mars eyes. Welcome to another episode of NRI Real Reacts. Episodes. Plural. We are plural now. We're not singular.
We are they them.
Yes, we are. We support everything.
With me, Aditi.
And me, Pranay. We are two Indians who were born and raised in India, now living in US. And through this, we're trying to share our experiences of living, studying, working, surviving, and
thriving
in the US in a fun and informative way. Today, we are going to react to some reels again.
Yes. There's this guy who commented in our previous reels कि ये क्या cheap entertainment है, कुछ reels लेके आप react कर रहे हो. Fuck you. Fuck you. We are going to do it again.
ये ऐसा बोला.
I am saying.
We
Fuck
are.
you. This is
Yes.
rebellion. ये है rebellion. तो
Yes.
फिर से react करो तुम reels पे.
फिर से fuck you to that person.
फिर से हम गंद मचाएंगे अभी.
हाँ.
AI वी से कहाँ डर रहे हो? AI वी बिल्कुल रिप्लेस नहीं करने वाला। असली चीज दिखा रहा हूँ जिससे सच में डर लगने लग रहा है आजकल। आप इन्हें देखें, ये हालांकि सब कुछ रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं। चेकआउट करो पूरी वीडियो को।
अब वैसे तो रिलीफ है साहब, थोड़ा दर्द है छाती में।
छाती में?
हाँ, ठंड से परेशान रहता है।
हाथ दिखाओ, छाती दिखाओ। माते फांसी हटाओ गले में से। और ऊपर करो शर्ट, नीचे कर लो, लगाओ माइक, पूछ लो।
अब ठीक है सर।
है गए ठीक? मत्था टेको, जाओ आगे लगाओ।
अबे तुम
I like how particular he was, like, वो गामछा हटाओ, like as if that is going to cause resistance to his uber scientific, super advanced ultra technology.
Oh God. Abhi, this is our boob job.
Can you imagine if a woman comes and then he says the same thing?
कपड़े निकालो, बाप रे.
Flash करो. So ये है नया India. So I wanted to show you.
मतलब Vicks not even once.
No. What am I doing? Paying Aetna, paying Cigna, paying all of these health insurance companies, because वहां से एक फूक लगाएगा बाबा जी, ठीक हो जाएगा छाती. Like, why am I paying all these stupid fucking premiums over here? Shaking up the health industry as we speak.
If you look at the format, pneumonia X namuna tick mark. यही comment कर देता हूँ.
Comment कर दो.
Pneumonia. Post.
उसमें वो तुम पूरा रात मॉनिटर करेगा भी कितने लाइक्स आए हैं वहां पे.
Oh God.
Telling you guys have to try palak paneer. It is simply delectable.
Palak paneer ਨਕੁੜੇ ਗੈਬੀ ਭੈਣ ਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਗਵਾਂਢੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਕੁਕੜੀ ਮਰ ਗਈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੂੰ ਫਲਾਕ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪਾਲਕ ਪਨੀਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਪਾਲਕ ਪਨੀਰ
Palak paneer.
Sean Palak.
Sean Palak paneer. So the thing with this woman is she butchers everything. She has also said gujar ka hawa.
Inside tips. These are inside factoids.
Insider tips, bre.
Insider tips, yes.
Inside tips kya de rahe ho? What are you doing? Just the tip.
My मतलब सिर्फ टिप बरसा पानी.
Tip बरसा पानी.
But
oh my God, tip बरसा पानी दो.
Listen, let us not
पानी
read into that.
पानी में आग लगाई, हाय.
आग पानी में wait. Now this is taking a turn.
It's an STI.
हाँ, क्लमीडिया हो गया भाई को. टिप बरसा पानी में आग लगे.
आग लगी इस दिल को तेरे पास. I don't know. Now you've lost the plot. But
Yeah.
Brother has
Yeah. It was one of those Janhit mein jari type ads.
That's why Akshay Kumar made it twice. Once for our generation and once for Gen Z. Very important. Very important.
Hey. Kumar Sanu.
जन्म देती है जो माँ जिसे जग कहे, अपनी संतान में प्राण जिसके रहे.
50 Shades of Regret under Ma's eyes. Oh
Damn,
God.
what is she like? Damn, she moving like Mike Tyson. What is it? Like move the cursor? Oh, it's
Damn.
my cursor. Damn, she looking like Mike.
Ma Tyson.
Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson. So he's gone at the back and he's just put his head past the
हाँ.
mom. कि मम्मी इसको लेके खड़े हो जाओ. क्यों? Do you think this happened in one take?
I don't think so. I'm just imagining Ados Pados ke they're just watching him like this.
मम्मी बोल रही है मुझे छोड़ दो, मुझे खाना बनाना है. नहीं मम्मी, पालक पनीर बनाना है मुझे.
वो भी 2 मिनट के लिए रुको प्लीज.
थोड़ा सा वीडियो रील बना देते हैं बस.
बाप रे.
Cringe boys of India. What a so
What
there's
an
cringe boys in India, there's emo boys of India.
Emo boys I like, man. Emo boys I like.
Love.
Yeah.
Keep the heads ringing.
तेरे बिन जियो नैया लगदा मैं ते मर गईया. ले चले जा सोनिया, ले चले जा सोनिया, बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना.
Wow.
Wow.
Gora's doing anything we like.
Everything. This is in our mind. We are like जो 3 गुना लगान दिया था, आज वो जाके वसूल हो रहा है. जॉनथन नाच रहा है इस गाने पे.
लेजा कोहिनूर लेजा.
वापस भी देना है भाई. But the way he like smacked his leg, it's like मच्छर मारने जैसा. See? अरे बाप रे बाप. 69 missed calls from Dharma Production.
I mean, I know. I swear I had seen him in the Archie's movie, but वो कोई तो और था.
कोई और था. वो बाप रे बाप. Archie's movie is more NRI than NRI.
देवांशी तो ने बोल ही दिया, don't be shy to put on lehenga.
Put a lehenga. Bro got the attention of all the Indian by that song. Truly. Marry me
That's
now.
hack.
Ravioli pasta ने बोल दिया.
Hi.
me now.
मम्मी को बताओ क्या?
बताओ तुम अभी.
Spotted in the wild. My fucking lord, I so regret this. Even my mom saw this. FFS.
For fuck's sake, तुम अभी reply करो उसको.
Ha. No, not
Auntie-
your mom.
So put आंटी पुलिस लगा लेगी तो यार तेरा कर लेगा हैंडल.
What? What? I didn't even hear. I heard like
आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी तो यार तेरा कर लेगा हैंडल.
कौन से गाने का है वो? कौन से? Sing it. गाओ.
आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी तो यार तेरा कर लेगा. I think it's Party All Night. आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी.
दिल
हाँ पार्टी
धड़काए.
ऑल नहीं पार्टी ऑल नाइट party all night, we do party all night, जितने भी तुम जोर लगा लो, टना 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 टना
Ah, yeah,
गाड़
yeah,
में दम है
yeah,
तो बंद करवा लो.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
That is it. तुम उसको लिखो आंटी पुलिस बुला ले, याद करा ले, तो out of context comment करो.
बन्नों की सहेली रेशम की डोरी छुप छुप के शर्माए देखे चोरी चोरी बन्नों की सहेली रेशम की डोरी छुप छुप के शर्माए देखे चोरी चोरी ये माने या न माने मैं तो इस पे मर गया ये लड़की हाय अल्लाह हाय हाय रे अल्लाह बन्नों की सहेली.
What happened, right?
I didn't realize, I knew he was a short king, but I didn't know he was that short of a king.
I don't know if he's a short king or she's a tall queen. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, just let's give a few moments to appreciate the dance moves.
But also what Aviral Kamboj has said is truly what the deal maker is. That expression,
Expression.
the Saroj Khanization of this is truly amazing. Because also, bolo.
No, I was just using a word, if I can. Nazakhat.
Oh, आज you are like in mood. तुम चश्मा पहनो.
Abbas Mastan.
अरे I am here, guys. I am here. But truly, nazakat, the harkat, that is truly amazing. That's truly amazing. Wow, maza aa gaya. Very nice.
Yeah.
Dikhao.
Also, his expressions were on point.
His
I mean,
expressions were also on point. Yeah, truly. So he's the desi.
he looked like the Desi.
Yeah.
I wonder how they even came up with this idea. Let's record a reel like that. Let's go to their profile. Let's see what even is their deal.
Dikhao.
Real quick.
Because I'm like, is this Prerna or as it wait, TikTok Sarah Moonchen? So they're like they're
Surround Sally.
They're und Sally. So they're German. So it's und and Sero and Sally. Oh my God, look at me, a multicultural bitch. Hello.
I just read München here, Munich.
That's what I said, that they're German, hence I deduced it's not Serund, it's you read it as surround sound. I know it. You read it as surround sound. But it's und.
Sero und Sally.
Exactly.
Wunderbar. Sehr gut.
Also, by the way, can I tell you something? There is a university.
I know where this is going. I know exactly where this is going.
What is it? But show me. True. That is true. That is true. I am a pass out of Lund University. कोई आया क्या? कोई इंडियन आया क्या?
I'll let it go.
Go Lund.
Oh, land of opportunities.
Alrighty, so we're here right now, and we're just climbing the stairs. Oh, hello. Namaste, namaste. Namaste. Namaste, namaste. It's a very good welcome gesture, I guess. I appreciate that. I remember the first time I came to Goa, and it was pretty fun. So, yeah, looking at here right now. Yeah. Literally the best part about Goa is it's very aesthetic, it's very nice, it's very good. The color scheme looks really pretty here. This private pool is literally so small, but I like it that they are providing a private pool with a room that's not something that you see as usual in Goa. So, alrighty, so.
reading this comment. काले nipple के अलावा बाकी सब same to same.
I mean, Indian comment section stays undefeated.
जो भी मन में आया
बोल दिया.
वही डालो. बोलो.
फिल्टर बोल के कोई चीज है ही नहीं.
Exactly.
In Natasha Shetty, is it your wife coming in from false account?
Cannot be not the girl removing the sari shawl and running away in the background. I did notice that.
I did not notice
So
that.
we're here right now, and
What?
we're just climbing the stairs. Oh, hello. Namaste, namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste, namaste. It's a very good welcome gesture, I guess. I appreciate that. I remember the first time I came to Goa, and
She was standing. She just ran away. That's genius.
Production quality. Amazing. Oh my God.
Having lived here for a while, where they do give like, oh, welcome so much. Hello, how are you? Garland le lo.
Not Garland, but this time around when I went to Jaisalmer.
Hmm.
So one of the things that for sure you get as an NRI is you're making USD. And जब इंडिया से यहाँ पे आते हो, like, everything you are multiplying by or dividing by 4. Sorry, something of that sort. Like, no, multiplying by 87 to see
Yeah.
इतना price है, and then थोड़ा सा पैसा जब आप बना लोगे, and then you're going to India, you're like divided by 87, सब affordable है, हम जहाँ सब जाएंगे यहाँ पे. तो मेरा भी वैसा easy था. So I mean, also I wanted to treat my parents well, so we stayed at this fort called Mohangarh Fort in Jaisalmer, and it's India's
Oh.
youngest fort. तो हम वहाँ पे, like, we are coming from Jodhpur to Jaisalmer, and when we pull in, they are like donkey dung 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 dung, and they were playing it for us, and it was so nice. It was like
Wow.
partly scary, not going to lie, but it was fun. So it was not mala, but it was like, dung 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 and everything. Also, bro, like, nothing matches Indian hospitality. I'm sorry to say.
Yeah.
I have traveled to some locations where it's supposed to be luxurious and exquisite, but nobody serves up hospitality like India. It is on another fucking level. Wouldn't
The
you agree?
smallest things, and it's not like the most lavish things. It's in the most unsuspecting places you'll find amazing hospitality. Like, you go koi bhi dukaan mein jao, not koi bhi, but like if you go to a lot of the dukaan and you walk in, and then the shopkeeper will be ki, acha sir, madam, aa jao, kya dekhna hai, अरे बैठो, चाय ना, कॉफी चाहिए, चाय चाहिए, अच्छा चाय मंगवाओ, नारियल पानी चाहिए, नारियल पानी मंगवाओ, like that.
That's
Obviously I mean they're trying to sell more,
they're trying to
obviously,
sell, yeah.
but that little bit of
Yeah, apnapan and everything, but also, like, compare a 5-star hotel experience in the US to a 5-star hotel experience in India. Like,
nothing.
Indian hospitality will go above and beyond to accommodate you, above
Yeah.
and beyond, right? Which I have never seen that in the US. So, for example, like, I mean, if you go to a buffet, right? If you go to a nice, I'm not even saying like luxury 7-star, but like a
Right.
decent, nice hotel, and you're going at a breakfast. वहां से आपको लेके आएंगे डोसा, everything, take your plates, everything. But over here, na, you have to do it yourself, even in a luxurious setting, is what I'm saying.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's unthinkable the level of care you get. So
Right.
it's कहाँ से कहाँ चले गए हम लोग. बहुत भावुक हो रहे हैं यार इस एपिसोड में, बहुत भावुक हो रहे हैं.
We kind of, yeah, this is actually, we are emotional Indians.
We are
And
not
we're
emotional.
EIs.
We are emo voice of India.
अम्मी आज बाहर खाने पे चल ले यार, बहुत मजा आएगा. अम्मी मैं तो कह रहा हूँ बाहर जहर खाने के लिए चलते हैं, पैसे को आग लगा देंगे, कुत्ते के गोश्त से कबाब खाएंगे, और जब हम वापस आएंगे तो हमें हेपेटाइटिस बी, सी और कैंसर सारी बीमारियां हो चुकी होंगी. चले क्या? अम्मी मैं सोच रहा हूँ कनाडा और अमेरिका का चक्कर न लगा लूँ. पाकिस्तान में कितनी इन्फ्लेशन हो गई यार, बहुत मुश्किल नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे. मेरा अब आप लोगों से दिल भर चुका है, अब आप लोग हो चुके हैं बुढ़े. मैं जा रहा हूँ यहाँ से बाहर, वहां जाके मैं खूब अय्याशी करूंगा, पैसा उड़ाऊंगा. अब आप लोगों की बीमारियां ये सब चीजें मुझसे हैंडल नहीं हो रही भाई. आई एम लीविंग दिस प्लेस. अम्मी मेरी अभी बॉस है मार्था, उसकी कॉल आएगी, अंग्रेज है वो, ठीक है? कोई बीच में शोर वोर नहीं करना भाई, सबने चुप रहना है यार, ठीक है? ये मेरी बॉस है मार्था, इससे मैं शादी करने के लिए जा रहा हूँ। ये क्रिश्चियन है और मैं इससे जब शादी कर लूंगा तो अम्मी हमारे जो बच्चे होंगे वो सब यहूदी होंगे, हम सब फ्री मेसन बन जाएंगे और फिर हम इसराइल के साथ मिलके दज्जाल को अपने घर खाने पे बुलाएंगे। कितना मजा। अम्मी आज बाहर खाने पे चल रहे हैं।
ये है मार्था क्रिश्चियन। इससे शादी होगी। ओह,
अम्मी आप लोग से मेरा दिल उठ चुका है।
oh,
Truly, what we say versus what they hear is it's so. I don't know if you've. I mean, talk about gaslighting from toxic boyfriend girlfriend. That's different, and then getting gaslit by your parents are different. Ki if you have to, if you're in an argument with your mom, all of a sudden your mom is like, इसीलिए 9 महीने पाला था आपको मैंने पेट पे। Like ওই যে তুই মা হ তখন তুই বুঝতে পারবি। So I have to wait till I become a mother to realize the dard of my mother. Up until then, I will not. So it is the ultimate form of
I
gaslighting,
know
and you
you
can't
have
say anything. Have you ever
no.
experienced that?
Yeah. that thing of like you know, you when growing up, I did not get any PS3, Xbox. I have given you the gift of life.
That's right.
You were in my tummy for 9 months. Don't
Yes.
forget that.
जन्म दिया है मैंने तुमको, ये याद रखना,
Yes,
ये याद
exactly.
रखना। ओफ
But
हाँ बोलो।
but the this kind of this not to this extent that happened when I told my mom that after college, after college, I'm getting my own place. And then there was a period of like a week and a half. We're like, আমরা ইন্ডিয়ান বাচ্চারা এমনি সব করে না। And I was like, what? Yeah,
Yeah.
ইন্ডিয়াতে এসব হয় না। Like this doesn't happen in India. This is might happen. You might be here, but এটা সব হয় না ইন্ডিয়াতে। ইন্ডিয়া বাচ্চারা বাড়িতে থাকে। Like they all
বাড়িতে
live
থাকে।
at home.
Yeah.
But clearly I was like, LOL, I am going. Bye.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah.
It's difficult, man. Like even when I go home right now, it's not like my parents are going to say anything if I stay out for a night to my like to my friend's place or anything. But the guilt becomes very internalized, where I'm like, I am here for only 28 days, and उसमें भी मैं एक दिन बाहर रहूंगी. It's like it becomes
Yeah.
very guilty. So I'm like, no, I'm not going to do that.
Definitely.
So it's because like your individuality comes at an expense of betrayal almost for them. That okay, okay, तुम like तुम्ही आलादा থাকবে, तुम अकेले रहोगे, तो हमारे साथ तुमको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. So like it's like they take it first, they think they are the center of universes. Like we are so self-obsessed as a country. We are like जो भी तुम कर रहे हो वो it's a reflection on me. It has nothing to do with you. It has nothing to do with you. It is not about your individuality. Me. This is where it's coming from. It's hard, bro. It's really hard because I'm sure you felt guilty, right? I'm sure you're like, do I have to, like, can I adjust it? It's very hard. So I'm glad that you did it. I'm glad you did it, but I'm sure it was not easy.
Yeah, I mean that I didn't really feel guilty, to be honest. But I have that
The
same
heathen.
thing. No sanskar.
No sanskar.
But what I had I had that guilt to this day when I go back to India. It's not so much my parents. My parents are very chill as people generally, and also they live here. So
That's right.
nazdik hai. But I feel this with my grandparents.
That's right.
Specifically my dadu.
Because
like my whole point of going to India is to spend time with him. But usme couple of days I want to go meet friends and stuff. But even in those couple of days, whenever I'm out, I feel like I'm not spending this time with him.
Yeah.
So that guiltiness comes, but that's but natural.
Very but natural, yeah. Very, very but natural.
But I feel हम काफी बके जा रहे हैं अभी, like oh parents do this and parents का तो ऐसा है, the grandparents, we are going to turn out the same, I feel
Oh,
like.
same, and more. I feel like
Yeah.
and more, because we have all that past thing, plus we have so much fucking awareness right now. We are
Yeah.
I can't wait for you to get married and then become a dad, is all I'm gonna say.
Oh God.
That's the character art after Game of Thrones ka reek that I'm looking forward to. That this is going to be a massive character arc. Like non-responsible Indians say, we are going to be, I don't know, something else Indian only.
Extremely irresponsible Indians.
Extremely responsible Indians. Exactly. ERI.
ERI. एक है EMI, एक है ERI.
ERI. Well, that's all the reels we have for you today. अगर आपको कोई reel पसंद है and you want us to react, please DM it to us in our Instagram account at non-responsible-Indians. प्रणय, आप जाते जाते कुछ बोलना चाहते हो?
Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
And comment.
हमें प्यार दो, हमें नफरत दो, हमें
कुछ भी
कुछ भी
मगर
दे
दो.
दो. दो.
Bye.
Bye.